Google Flight's flight booking platform review, usage experience. Google Flights is one of the most powerful tools for booking flights, designed for travelers who value speed, simplicity, and detailed insights. In this review, we'll cover its key features, the booking process, and my experience using it. The platform offers an intuitive interface that allows you to search, compare, and book flights seamlessly. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your first trip, Google Flights is built for anyone looking to save time and money. A standout feature is the dynamic search tool. Simply enter your destination and dates, and Google Flights instantly displays a comprehensive list of flight options sorted by price, duration, and airline. You can refine your search using filters for baggage allowances, layovers, airlines, and even flight times. The Explore tool is perfect for those with flexible plans, showing destinations within your budget, helping you find hidden gems. What sets Google Flights apart is its price tracking and alerts. Once you select a route, you can enable price tracking to get notifications on price drops or changes. This ensures you're booking at the best time for maximum savings. It also predicts future price trends based on historical data, which is an invaluable tool for budget-conscious travelers. During my use, the experience was seamless. The results load quickly, and the calendar view highlights the cheapest dates to fly, making it easy to adjust plans. Clicking on a flight gives you detailed fare information, including which extras are included. While Google Flights doesn't process payments itself, it redirects you to airline or third-party booking sites with one click, which is convenient and transparent. However, one limitation is that it doesn't always include every budget airline or special deals from smaller carriers. So you may need to double-check elsewhere for ultra-low-cost options. But for most mainstream travel needs, it's comprehensive. In conclusion, Google Flights is perfect for anyone looking to book flights efficiently while leveraging data-driven insights. Its robust features, combined with a clean user interface, make it a go-to platform for smart travelers. If you haven't tried it yet, give it a shot. Google Flights delivers both value and ease of use.